Hello, welcome to day 11. So I've built an enemy spawner here, so we'll just go over the variables really quick. We have roaming, boolean to make monsters roam or not, how often monsters should spawn, the total amount of monsters that should spawn out of a spawner, the common spawn for that spawner, so any kind of monster blueprint we can ref here. Rare spawn, if it has one, we can ref that. The chance of a rare spawn from 1 to 100, the level range for the commons, the level range for the rares, and then we're keeping track of how many we've spawned to compare it to the total spawn count and handle that logic here. So we have this function which spawns everything, so it just spawns enemies, checks if the enemies need more, if more enemies need spawn, basically. So if the current spawn count is less than the total spawn count, it moves forward. And at that point, it will choose, based off this random dice rolling, if it spawns common or rare enemies, or vice versa. This is common, this is rare. And then where to spawn them, then it increments the counter, and then this will just handle running it and calling the function in here. So pretty straightforward. I'll show you it in action, and I've created a large, small, and XL blueprint for enemies. This is our large guy. I'm normal sized, enemy based, and then the spawner will spawn either small or XL, and it has a 50% chance. So in here you can see how nice it is because you can just set everything in here. Our spawn frequency is 1 second. We'll spawn a total of 5. Our common spawn is our small. Our rare spawn is our enemy, but there's a 50% chance of rare, and we don't have any levels set because there's no logic for that yet. So everything's working great, except the largest spawn 250 higher for some reason, so smaller ones have to fall a little bit, and then large, the XL, clog the doorway, and they have collision, so they'll block everything behind them too. So I have to fix collision once monsters are aggroed to just obey nav mesh, and that way they don't clip through walls. But I don't want walls stopping giants. In traditional EverQuest fashion, you should have to train and zone to get rid of a train. Yep, that's it. Thank you.